Hello Forex traders, welcome to Admiral Markets. We're going to take a look at the end of 2013 and the new start of 2014 and what that means for Forex market. Specifically the dollar yen uptrend, we're going to take a look at the wave count of the majors and what kind of webinars do we have in this week and after the New Year's Eve. So let's take a look at this risk disclaimer. Though, first of all, trading for exchange and global financial markets is considered high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Please seek the advice of an independent financial advisor for more information on that. And this webinar is for educational purposes only. So thank you for your attention on that. All right, now of course, with the New Year's Eve and many countries already celebrating the New Year's Eve today and the 31st having days off, obviously the 1st of January, all countries will have their markets closed and shut, so there will be no trading during that day. And with 2 days to remain, there's definitely an increased chance of lower volatility and lower movements, and that could also proceed on the 2nd or 3rd January. This is the entire week basically, but there could be also some continuation, for example, on some currencies once in a while. So we'll take a look at the market in any case. Dollar yen is showing a major uptrend, but this is one of those currencies that I do expect a bit of retracement before continuation. Obviously, the strong break here of the purple wedge, the weekly wedge here, very nice. We got a break all the way to the resistance where we had a bit of a struggle as expected in our live trading rooms as well. But then we did get the break of that, the pullback, and the bounce off the former yearly high at 103.70 and continuation. So obviously a very strong weekly slash monthly breakout to the upside. And the target of that, well, best is to zoom out to the weekly chart in fact, because why? Because you can see this was a strong impulse. This is just a pause, a triangle that now seems to be broken into the upside with clear candles above it, beautiful blue uptrend channel as we can see here. The target of a weekly breakout like that is a 272 minus target, fib target at 111 basically. So there could be a lot of space to the upside. So no shortage of space to the upside of this weekly breakout, triangle breakout, and continue here on the dollar yen. But the expected continuation of this uptrend, in my opinion, only, or better, let me say it this way, after we've made some kind of bull flag and break that bull flag, then I would love to trade this particular correction to the upside. I also wanted to show you the euro dollar and pound dollar wave count. Now, I know that some of you may not like the waves, Elliott wave theory here, but wave counting can help looking at impulses and corrections, and Admiral Markets does offer the wave count here on its website. So take a look at that. This is the euro dollar of today, the 30th of December. You can see not only the wave count, but also a trend channel here, two of them, the magenta and the blue, and a price break of the red resistance right in here. Now that resistance was broken, but saw a retracement very quickly after the break as well. So what is happening right now? Well, definitely an uptrend at the moment, and price could be back at support. So still expecting some upside continuation, looking at the lower time frames here at the 4-hour chart. So that is on the cards here, euro dollar uptrend continuation, unless of course price were to break below blue and eventually below magenta trend channels, then we could expect maybe some reversal on the euro dollar. Otherwise, looking good for the upside at the moment. Now I should warn of course that the euro dollar upside could happen from lower as well. We do still have some space to the bottom of the uptrend channel. The pound dollar, the cable, showing similar story too. It too in an uptrend channel. Looking at this 4-hour chart, you can see the orange bottom line connecting the bottoms here. We can even put an orange line at the top as well. So a nice uptrend channel on the pound dollar as well. And if you start looking at these internal counts, then maybe this is a 1, 2, 3. We're hooking back for 4 for more 5. That 4 could end lower. This could be an ending diagonal. In that case, 4 could bounce from a lower area, from the 61.8 fib, for example, at 164.16 is a potential turning spot for that upside up to 166 or maybe even 166.50. The bigger resistance, however, from the weekly and monthly perspective is at 167.50, and that should be a tough level to crack for the cable. So that is the cable here. Take a look at those counts if you like. And you can find those counts by going to analytics. Go to, of course, admiralmarkets.com, analytics, and click on wave analysis. Then you'll get a whole list of those wave analysis, and just click on the most recent date to find out about the wave count of that day. All right, well, this week we have a weekly webinar, in fact, with Tarantula on the weekly FX recap. Then tomorrow we still have a live trading session with myself on the 31st of December in the morning. And then we'll be back in the new year with the 2nd of January 2014 expected. What can we expect in the entire year? That's me and Tarantula looking down that on Thursday, 5 p.m. GMT. And of course, we'll be back with the usual webinar schedule next week, of which, of course, the usual educational webinars on Thursdays, Forex news trading, scalping the Forex market, harmonic patterns, and oscillator exposed part 2, all in January. With that said, of course, I also would like to take the opportunity to thank you for joining our webinars, and I wish you a very happy, healthy, and profitable 2014 and a happy new year. Thanks, and see you all soon. Cheers.